Welcome to this demonstration on air filter. Air filter removal. Remove the top end of the left hand side 2 hex bolts head screws. Pull out the side panel slowly to release it from the grommet in the frame. Loosen and remove the 3 screws holding the air filter housing. Pull out the cover from the housing. Remove the air filter assembly by pulling it out. Properly inspect the conditions of the air filter. Air filter cleaning. Use recommended compressed air pressure to clean the air filter element outside of the air filter to remove the dust from inside. Gently tap the air filter element to ensure proper cleaning. Use a soft cloth to clean the air filter body from the inside. Air filter refit. Now fit the air filter element on the air filter box in such a way that the open end of the cover is seated outside. Locate the cover in such a way that the air filter housing clutch pegs are aligning with the 3 screws. Tighten the available screws with the help of a Phillips screwdriver gently and firmly. Locate the side panel cover with its bottom leg located in the rubber grommet. The air filter should be checked and cleaned in every service with the recommended air pressure. It should be replaced in every 10,000 kilometers or 12 months from the date of sale, whichever comes earlier. Sometimes it needs to be changed at an early phase according to the riding conditions, etc. The replaced air filter must be genuine for a longer shelf life of the engine. Using a non-genuine filter may cause dust to enter the engine and quite possibly hamper the vehicle's performance. Do's and don'ts. Do not use more than the recommended compressed air pressure. It may damage the inner filter layer, which will lead to improper filtering. Compressed air should be blown in an outside to inside pattern to clean properly. Blowing the air into the air filter element from the wrong direction will destroy its filtering.